Okay, so after being called to the bar in 2018, she felt compelled to use her knowledge to educate and help everyone she could about using the law to protect themselves. Here she is this morning, attorney at law, Natalie Weber-Smith, who is here to talk to us about her passion and a little bit of her purpose and some progress that she's recently made. Good morning.
Good morning.
And welcome to Smile. It's good to have you.
I'm so happy to be here. Really excited.
Good to see you. I saw you in that video. And you,
oh, yes.
And you hear back like, I flip my hair back and forth. Congratulations are in order because you just kind of checked a major life goal, which was to do what?
I actually started my own firm, yes. Opened my own practice. Literally stepped out on a leap of faith. It was only God, because I don't, up to now, I'm still trying to grasp. That was just March, so brand new.
How's it going?
I am grateful. I'm grateful. It's awesome. I've been blessed beyond measures. I just see God showing up, and I'm like, bam, 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 bam.
That's what he does. Shows up, and he sometimes him show off too, you know. Yeah.
Woo, I see a magnificent show.
Tell me a little bit about your interest in law.
Well, to be very honest with you, I kind of stumbled upon law. So at the core, I used to do psychology. So I'm a counselor at heart. That's what I love to do. Mm-hmm. And someone kind of convinced me to go otherwise. So I wanted to be a politician. I don't know about it anymore.
Yeah, we're there.
Right.
It can still happen.
Yes, it can still happen. Yeah, it can still happen. So I've transitioned over and I've loved it. And I've loved it because of what I'm able to do for others.
Helping people.
So,
and land is your thing.
Well, land is my thing.
Was.
Now
you're doing
No, I'm doing everything.
Give her everything.
So if you want something, come to us. Yeah. We're open because now I just use the avenue as my ministry. I literally say, so if you have something, I will help you to get through it.
Man,
yes.
And when people are tied up in those legal issues, what you do for them is really, and the counseling part really helps you too.
Yes,
you know, because especially with that land thing.
Listen, Simone, many times I have to be playing counselor. Yeah. So I'll say, I'm taking my legal hat off and I'm now putting my counselor hat off and I'm doing mediation. Yeah. So that's all a part of it and I love it. Yeah. I really enjoy it.
Legal aid you've done too?
Well, I used to work at the legal aid clinic, the one downtown on Tower Street, and I've decided to do my own version of legal aid. So basically what I do is I have an outreach program. I go to one parish every month and we have a free consultation on that day. I have a myriad of attorneys, so my friends just show up, and when they show up, they show off, they do what they have to do. So we have employment lawyers, persons who do crim, so any legal issue you have. The criminal.
Oh,
so anything.
Crim.
So if you get arrested for an assault, anything.
Yeah. Irlanda, crim.
I do. The truth is,
we
don't speak that way. It's true. It's true. All right, fine. It's true. It's lawyer talk. So let me come out of that.
Crim. I try to figure out. Okay.
So it's criminal law.
So every
month, once per month.
You pick up yourself?
Yes. Pro bono, all at my expense. I pay everything out of pocket. We don't have any sponsors, nothing. I show up. Sometimes we even walk from door to door. Go to other people's home.
You're a politician for 2 years. No, that door to door.
The truth, I just want persons, because sometimes people don't even know they have a legal issue. So I'm here to help you. So when I come and I ask certain questions, that's when people are understanding that they have a legal issue and they now need help.
So tell me, what does a day look like? So you get up tomorrow and you say, I'm going to, obviously you would have planned it before yesterday, but I'm going to Mandeville tomorrow.
So we're going to Mandeville. So we have a bus. So generally speaking, everybody comes. So all my lawyer friends, we better park the car somewhere because we're all going on the bus. So we travel down together. When we get there on the spot, first thing we have to do is pray. So we open up in prayer and everybody, I don't know how they get the energy. People are running up and down. And these are persons that come voluntarily. I don't pay them. Yes, they volunteer on the day. So we set up. So what we're trying to do, the last time we had someone from TVJ. So now we're trying to get more persons on board so that we have like TVJ coming, even somebody from labor, those kind of things. So people can get a little bit of diversity. So when they come on that day, it's not just showing up for Simply Legal. You can get other assistance.
Okay.
And when we're there, so each attorney gets a little booth and you can go and have a private session. So, you know, it's a community business. So we don't want nobody to know. Right. Yes. So we have to preserve the privacy.
Yes.
So we have, you come, you get a one-on-one. Tell us all the issues. We go through it. We take the notes and we advise you on spot and as to how to go forward.
That's really great.
Yes.
So you started the first one in your own community.
In my own own community. We've done it unofficially before because we've been to St. Mary, we've been to St. Thomas, but I said I'm going to start. When I'm doing it officially, I want to be. So nobody can say Natalia didn't come back to her community. Yes, so I started there. And it was well received. Even up to now, I have persons from then, and I said, at least they know. So if you couldn't come on the day, you can come to the office. And persons have been showing up, and I'm just so grateful that I was able to help that way.
Yeah, how are you going to build that out? How are you looking to build it out? Because giving back seems to be a big part of your, of your purpose.
The truth is, I have no specific plan. Yes, I literally get up, I get some ideas, and I said, okay, Lord, what do you want me to do? And I will go through, literally go through, all right, these are the ins and outs, and somebody always call, somebody always knows somebody, and somebody always connects somebody with me, and I just say, can I come to so-and-so? No problem. It always flows. So I just get the idea, once I'm inspired, that's it. Yeah. It just works out.
And then the business now. Tell me how you say that's going well. Was it really tough to get it off the ground?
It was, no.
No.
I can't, I'm not gonna lie.
Well, lawyers cannot tell. You shouldn't
tell any lies. No lies.
Yeah. That was organic too.
That was literally, God, I had a dream, I had to move. And I literally sent in my resignation immediately.
You had a dream?
I had a dream.
That you had to move?
I had to leave. That was it. And I got 2 confirmations after that, and I said, okay, Lord, yes, it's time.
Are you a faith personified?
I can't. I'm telling you, sometimes because I've always been the one who's very idealistic. So my family will tell you, no, man, she believes she can do everything. And it's true.
Sometimes you have to. Sometimes you have to. Okay, tell me a little bit about this. This webinar series is you, Understanding Your Rights? Talk to us about that one.
All right, so on Thursday, I've been doing it for over a year now. Every Thursday from 7:30 to 8 o'clock, I have a Zoom session, and recently I've gone live on Instagram. And yes, man, it's free. So we have a topic and we talk about it. Last night we had question and answers, so persons could put in their questions about any area of law. I occasionally have guest speakers, but it's mainly me, and I present in very simple terms, basic person.
So
get complicated.
Complex.
Yes.
Okay. So where we find you, Miss Nat, if we want to come to one of your parish outreaches, or we want to jump on the Zoom, or we want to find you at office?
All right. So office is located on Melmac Avenue. So that's at 22 Melmac Avenue. You can follow us. My daughter said, Mommy, it's follow us. So follow us on Instagram. Not follow me. So follow us on Instagram at Simply Legal JA. And for our outreach, our next one is in Manchester. So I will be promoting that through the Instagram method and through Zoom, so that persons are able to come. So yes.
Yeah. Simply Legal JA. I said to her, you tricks us because there's nothing simple about law. And she says, well, I make it simple. Hence the name. So I said, okay, miss, I got you. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome.
An inspiring story. All the best as you grow your business. And give back.
Thank you.
And the more you give back is the more your blessings are going to tall up. So make room for expansion and growth. Receive it. Thank you so much. Attorney at Law, Natalie Weber-Smith. We're back with more on Smile after this.